Hello everybody, welcome back to InfoSundar YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to tell about the job vacancies from BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center Nuclear Cycle Board. The notification as per this advertisement 01/2022 NRB. The government strives to have a workforce which reflects gender balance, and women candidates are encouraged to apply. So this is the application opening date is on 1st April and closing date is on 30th April. Online applications are invited for Stipendiary Trainees category 1 and 2 for training in NRB. Nuclear Recycle Board. Stipendiary Trainee category 1, total number of posts are 71. Under unreserved 27 vacancies, EWS 8 vacancies, OBC 18 vacancies, SC 10, ST 7, PWD 1. Under the diploma category, chemical engineering, chemical, unreserved 5, EWS 1, OBC 2, and total 8 vacancies. Whereas chemistry, minimum of B.Sc qualification with 60% marks, chemistry as principal are, and physics and mathematics as subsidiary subjects compulsorily required. And B.Sc category, B.Sc degree qualification is required for chemistry, whereas civil, diploma in civil engineering is enough. 2 vacancies unreserved, and OBC 2 and also SC 1, 5 vacancies. Electrical 13 vacancies, diploma in electrical engineering, unreserved 2, EWS 1, OBC 6, SC 2, ST 2 vacancies, altogether 13 vacancies. Electronics, diploma in electronics, electronics communication, instrumentation, communication engineering is required. 4 vacancies are there for unreserved 1, OBC 1, SC 1, ST 1. And instrumentation, diploma in electronics and instrumentation, instrumentation technology, instrumentation and control engineering, that is the qualification required. Whereas the other vacancies with the different other subjects, mechanical is also there, 14 vacancies unreserved, EWS 5, OBC 5, SC 5, ST 5, altogether 32 vacancies are there for these people who have done diploma in mechanical engineering. So the required qualification, acquired diploma 3 years after SSC or 2 years after HSC with a minimum of 60% marks in aggregate in diploma. Minimum of first division is compulsory, 60% of marks. This post is identified for persons with benchmark disability. OHL, person with benchmark disability, means a person with not less than 40% of specified disease, that is for EWS category. Whereas stipendiary trainee category 2, number of vacancies are 189, unreserved 118, EWS 14, OBC 33 vacancies, SC 23, and PWD 1 vacancy. And what are the positions under category 2, stipendiary trainee category 2? AC mechanic, that is unreserved 10, and OBC 3, SC 2, altogether 15 vacancies. For all these positions, category 2, SSC qualification is compulsory, whereas electrician 25 vacancies, electronic mechanic 18 vacancies, fitter 66 vacancies, and instrument mechanic is 13 vacancies, and also machinist 11 vacancies, turner 4, welder 3, draftsman mechanical 2 vacancies. And for this particular position, SSC plus, with 60% marks, mechanical, electrician, electronic mechanic, fitter, instrument mechanic, machinist, turner, welder. The candidate should meet any of the following requirements as regards trade certificate: NTC ITI, pass out of 2-year duration, and NEAC of 2 years duration under apprenticeship training scheme, or else NTC ITI pass out of 1 year duration plus 1 year work experience after the completion of course. Otherwise, NTC ITI pass out 1 year duration plus NEAC minimum of 1 year duration under apprenticeship training scheme. For this particular position 2.9, draftsman, SSC with minimum of SSC science stream with physics, chemistry, and mathematics subjects with minimum of 60% marks in aggregate. Certificate of 1 year duration in draftsman mechanical issued by Technical Education Board of State Government or NTC, ITI passed out of 2 years duration. So this is exclusive for draftsmen. Whereas laboratory assistant vacancies are 4. For this one also, chemistry, physics, and mathematics subjects with aggregate of 60% marks, HSC or SSC 60% marks, and plus trade certificate in laboratory assistant is compulsory. And whereas plant operator 28 vacancies are there, HSC with chemistry, physics, mathematics, otherwise 60% marks in aggregate is compulsory. And educational qualification as per application 10th and Board of Technical Education ITI diploma qualification are enough. And age limit is for category 1 minimum 18, category 2 also minimum 18, whereas maximum is a bit different. Age limit for category 1 24 years maximum, category 2 22 years maximum. Only SSC or matriculation or HSC certificate and birth certificate issued by appropriate government authority will be accepted as a proof of date of birth. Whereas upper limit as per government norms, 5 years relaxation for SC/ST candidates, 3 years for OBC. That means OBC candidates for category 1, 24 plus 3, 27. Category 2, 24 plus 2, 25 years. Whereas upper age limit, for relaxation in the upper age limit for 5 years shall be admissible to the children or family members of those who died in 1984 riots. Age relaxation for PWD as per government rules, and women and divorced women and women judicially separated from their husbands and who are not remarried are eligible for relaxation upper age limit as per government orders. So this is all about. And physical standards, minimum height is 160 centimeters, minimum weight is 45.5 kgs. And according to the relaxable conditions that can be applicable. And total duration of training period is 2 years. And stipend duration training is first year 16,000 for category 1, category 2 10,500, second year 18,000 for category 1, category 2 12,500. So selection method, category 1 written examination of 1 hour duration will be conducted and will comprise of 40 objective type multiple choice questions, 3 marks of each correct answer, and 1 mark will be minus marking for incorrect answer. The syllabus for the said examination will be based on subject at diploma or B.Sc level, as the case may be. Those candidates qualifying in the written examination shall be shortlisted for interview. NRB reserves the right to restrict number of candidates to be called for interview. And final selection will be based on the performance of the candidate in the interview alone. And category 2 selection process will consist of tests in 3 stages, stage 1, 2, and 3. Preliminary test will be conducted for category 2, screening examinations to be held in to shortlist candidates. The format of the screening examination will be common for all trades and will be in the following format. Examination will consist of 50 multiple choice questions, choice of 4 answers for each of 1 hour duration in the following proportion. Mathematics 20 questions, science 20 questions, and general awareness 10 questions, altogether 50. 3 marks answered for each correct answer, and whereas 1 mark will be minus marking. All candidates with marks of 40% in general category and 30% in reserved category will be screened out, shortlisted. And stage 2 advanced test will be conducted. But the shortlisted candidates from the written exam, stage 2 advanced test, all candidates screened in stage 1 will be allowed to undertake the stage 2 advanced test in their respective trade. The test will comprise 50 multiple choice questions, choice of 4 answers, 2 hours duration, And the same way, 3 marks for right answer and 1 mark minus marking. Candidates getting for 30% in general category, 20% in reserve category will be shortlisted for the next round, next stage. Merit list of candidates will be prepared after stage 2 based upon the score obtained in stage 2 only. In that event of tie, the following criteria shall be adopted in sequence of deciding the position in the merit list. Candidates with lower negative marks in stage 2 to be placed higher on the merit list. The candidate with higher marks, stage 1, to be placed higher on the merit list. So these are all the details of stage 2. And candidates shall undertake the preliminary and advanced test on the same day. Skill test will be conducted, the stage 3 test. Based upon the merit list prepared after stage 2, candidates will be shortlisted to third skill test, third level, stage 3 skill test in each trade. The number of candidates shortlisted for skill test will depend upon the number of candidates qualifying for stage 2, but will not exceed 4 to 5 times the number of vacancies in each trade. NRB reserves the number of candidates to be called for stage 3 skill test. The skill test shall be conducted on GO and no GO base for qualifying the candidates. The candidates clearing the skill test shall be shortlisted and empaneled in order of merit based on marks secured in stage 2. The number of candidates empaneled in main list shall not exceed the number of vacancies advertised. And waiting list of equal number of candidates as in the main list shall be made for operation only in case candidates in the main list do not report for joining. And scope of training. Selected candidates will be given training in Tarapur, Kalpakam in various aspects of relevant disciplines, trades as per prescribed syllabi of each discipline or trade. And for meetings, stringent requirement of NRB, Tarapur and Kalpakaman, PRPD, Kalpakam, the candidates will not have any choice or option for any particular training program or training place. And grade after successful completion of training. Upon successful completion of training, the trainees will be considered for absorption in the following trade at the time of appointment, depending on their performance during the period of training, and interview to be held at the end of the training. Category 1, scientific assistant, group B, non-gazetted, level 4, 44,900 pay package will be there. Whoever successfully completed these 2 years course, they will be given placement for the assistant group B non-gazetted post, pay level scale 44,900. Whereas category 2, technician B, group C, and also group C technician, level 3 and 4 for 21,700, whereas fourth level 25,500. In addition to entry pay, allowances will be admissible under central government rules. And prevailing additional benefits you will get in addition to the normal pay and allowances above pay scales, and admissible under the rules, employees of the Department of Atomic Energy are entitled exciting work environment, promotions to higher grades, which are covered under the merit promotion scheme of DAE, health care for self and family members, attractive performance related incentives, attractive professional update allowance, leave travel concession for self and family, reimbursement of tuition fee or departmental accommodation as per Government of India orders. Selected candidates on their appointment will be governed by the National Pension Scheme, also NPS. Selected candidates will have to execute a bond to complete the training and serve NRB, BARC, or any of the constituent units of the Department of Atomic Energy if offered appointment after the training for a period of 3 years after absorption. A trainee who fails to complete the training or serve the government for 3 years, if offered appointment, will be liable to pay to the government a sum equivalent to aggregate amount stipend received by him or her during the period of training along with interest thereon. So this is all. If you are really committed, you can have this wonderful opportunity. And what are the natural duties of this particular category? For chemical, operation of process plant; chemistry, operation of laboratory equipment and chemical analytical work; for civil engineering diploma people, civil construction work; electrical, operation and maintenance of substation, HT, LT equipment; electronics, maintenance of electronics instruments; instrumentation, maintenance of process instruments; mechanical, operation and fabrication, maintenance of systems and maintenance of plant utility system, material handling equipment. For category 2, nature of duties: AC machine, AC mechanic, operation and maintenance of air conditioning system; electrician, erection, operation and maintenance of electrical equipment and auxiliaries in substation and other installations; electronic mechanic, fabrication, maintenance and operation; fitter, operation, fabrication, maintenance; instrument mechanic, operation and maintenance; machinist, operation and milling, drilling, lathe machine and shaping machine; turner, lathe machine operation and other maintenance works; welder, gas cutting and welding works; draftsman, computer aided symmetric drawing, etc. Laboratory assistant, assistant in chemical analytical works; plant operator, assistant in process of radiochemical plants and operation. It's very simple job for all these category 1 and 2. Duties will involve working in round the clock general shift. The different places like, scientific assistant, safety, training B, technician B, library science and some others. Online applications are also invited for the following posts in NRB, Kalpakam, Mumbai, Tarapur and PR through direct recruitment. Total number of positions are 6. For the scientific assistant B, safety, diploma in any engineering or B.Sc degree. And whereas the librarian post is also there, only one vacancy. For this particular library science, HSC stream, physics, chemistry and mathematics with 60% marks, and also certificate of 1 year duration of library science. And technician B, rigger is also there. There are 4 vacancies for rigger. Rigger trade certificate is compulsory along with SSC. Whereas criteria, 18 age group, maximum 30 and 25. And you can see the selection process and all. And scientific assistant B, 35,400. Technician B, library science, 21,700. Technician B, rigger, 21,700. And you can see the other details. And application fee for this, nrbapply.formflix.com. From April 1st to 30th April. The website link I'll give you in the description box below the video. And how much payment is required. For post number 1 and up to 7, 150 rupees. Whereas for post 2.1 to 2.11, 100 rupees only. Fee is exempted for candidates belonging to SC, ST, PWD and women category. And fee is also exempted for candidates belonging to ex-servicemen, only for the post DR1, DR3, DR1, 2, 3. So for women candidates, SC, ST, PW candidates, no fee is required, even 100 is not required. So that just you can apply for these vacancies and get opportunity from this BARC and get the best opportunity from this particular vacancies and get wonderful opportunity and serve for the Government of India, Department of Atomic Energy, Baba Atomic Research Center, Nuclear Cycle Board, NRB. Okay, thank you one and all for watching this video. Keep sharing this video to the people who have needed jobs.